Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 15 must-have car essentials from Amazon that will make your driving experience safer, cleaner, and more convenient. From powerful car vacuums to life-saving emergency kits, these items are game changers for any vehicle owner. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, you'll want to check out these amazing finds. Most of them are available at special prices, so don't forget to check the links below. Let's jump in. Keeping your car's interior spotless has never been easier. This high-powered cordless vacuum delivers 14,000 pascal suction, efficiently removing dust, pet hair, and crumbs from every nook and cranny. Its 2-in-1 blow and suction design makes it even more versatile, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, seats, and vents. With a lightweight, compact body, it's easy to store and carry anywhere. Tired of losing your phone, keys, or coins between the seats? This 2-pack seat gap organizer provides a sleek storage solution for essentials like sunglasses, wallets, and cards, preventing them from falling through the cracks. With a universal fit for SUVs and sedans, this is a must-have for keeping your car clutter-free and organized. Stay charged and hands-free with this 3-in-1 wireless charger and phone mount. It features fast auto-clamping technology, keeping your phone secure while providing quick wireless charging. Compatible with iPhone and Samsung devices, this 360-degree adjustable mount ensures you always have the perfect view for navigation and calls. No driver should be without a reliable roadside emergency kit. This all-in-one set includes a digital air compressor, heavy-duty jumper cables, a tow strap, first aid kit, gloves, a flashlight, and more. Designed for men, women, and teenagers, it ensures you're prepared for flat tires, breakdowns, and unexpected emergencies. Keep one in your trunk. It could save the day. Improve your driving confidence with these convex blind spot mirrors. Designed for easy peel and stick installation, they enhance visibility and provide a wide-angle view, making lane changes and parking much safer. Made from real, durable convex glass, these long-lasting mirrors are a simple but essential upgrade for any car. Stay visible in roadside emergencies with these USB rechargeable LED road flares. Equipped with a strong magnetic base and multiple flashing modes, these weatherproof emergency beacons ensure other drivers see you, reducing the risk of accidents. A must-have safety tool for night driving, long trips, and unexpected breakdowns. A clean car is a happy car. This mini trash can fits perfectly in your cup holder or car door pocket, keeping small trash items out of sight. Its push-lid design prevents spills, while the diamond-textured exterior adds a touch of style. Sold as a 2-pack, it's great for keeping both the front and back seats neat. Beat the heat with this reflective windshield sunshade. Made from premium 240T polyester, it effectively blocks UV rays and reduces interior temperature, preventing sun damage to your dashboard and seats. With an overlapping design for a better fit, it's perfect for small sedans, hatchbacks, and mini SUVs. Say goodbye to a messy trunk. This sturdy, foldable trunk organizer has 2 spacious compartments for groceries, tools, car accessories, and more. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry, while the non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place. A must-have for road trips and everyday organization. Get precise tire pressure readings every time with this digital tire gauge. The 0 to 150 PSI range makes it ideal for cars, trucks, and bicycles, ensuring proper tire inflation for better fuel efficiency and safety. Its backlit LCD display and Presta valve adapter make it convenient to use, even in low light. Keep your bags, purses, and groceries off the floor with these high-quality leather car hooks. They attach easily to your car's headrest, providing a secure place to hang items. With a sleek black design, they blend seamlessly with any car interior. Cleaning your car's air vents, dashboard buttons, and tiny crevices can be a challenge, unless you have this reusable cleaning putty. Designed to pick up dust, dirt, and crumbs effortlessly, it's a game changer for keeping your car's interior looking fresh. Works great for laptops, keyboards, and other electronics too. Never get stranded again. This 2500A jump starter can revive dead batteries on cars with up to 8.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel engines. It also functions as a power bank with USB ports for charging phones, an LCD display, and a built-in LED flashlight for nighttime emergencies. Comes with a durable storage case. Easily inflate car, bike, and motorcycle tires with this portable air compressor. The digital gauge ensures precise inflation up to 150 psi, while the auto shutoff function prevents overinflation. Small and lightweight, it's perfect for road trips and emergency situations. Tired of streaks and foggy windshields? This oil film cleaning brush removes grime, fingerprints, and water spots, restoring your windshield's clarity. The one-piece design makes it easy to handle, and it even comes with refill liquid for long-lasting use. That wraps up our list of 15 must-have car gadgets to keep your vehicle clean, safe, and organized. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest recommendations. Most of these items are on special deals, so check the links below before they're gone. See you in the next one.